Hey everyone, Steve here, and welcome to the demo and walkthrough of Curation Cloud. In this video, I'll be showing you all the cool features and benefits we've managed to put inside Curation Cloud to make creating content easy. So at its basic level, Curation Cloud allows you to fill up your blogs, your websites, and your social media accounts with relevant, interesting content in different niches. So let's take a look at the dashboard now, and we can see here it displays your number of blogs, your social accounts, and your blog posts. This is a statistics board. Let's click on content here, and as we can see, this is the bread and butter of the application. This is where it displays all the different content that you're able to choose from to post to your online accounts. So we can search via term here. So if you want to narrow down on your niche, if you're niche specific, you're going to want to search via niche. You can also choose the age of the content, months, days, or hours. You can sort by date or popularity. You can choose content source here, and you've also got a minimum word count right here. You can also choose whether you want it to require an image or not, depending on whether you're using images in your blog. So here is a new site which I set up, and as we can see, we've got the very lovely Annie Kendrick and also Tom Hardy here, probably not looking his best. As you can see, this website looks pretty awesome, very slick, very well designed. The content looks great, but what's worth noting is every single piece of content on this website was created with Curation Cloud. So I didn't create any of this myself, it was all done by the platform. So this is a news website, and as we can see, it all looks very, very good. So if I go back to the search I did, I'm going to go to content, I think I selected Hollywood, and click search, and as we can see, here's the exact post that I made, and you can see it looks very, very good on the site. I also created a weight loss niche website with content curated by Curation Cloud. I also created a crypto website. Again, all the content looks really, really great, and all of this was done with the platform. So you can already see the type of results you can get, even on my Twitter account with this platform. It all looks great and it works fine. So let's do a search here and see what Curation Cloud can do. So I'm going to search for content marketing, seeing as this is a content platform, and I'm just going to click search, and already we have content related to my search term. Now if I wanted to go ahead and post this, I would simply click on post, and we can see we can edit the post here if you want to, or you can post it as is. So this will be posted to WordPress and to my Twitter account, which I connected earlier. This is what it would look like here. But let's go back, and you can choose as many social bookmarks as you like for people to share to get lots of ranking juice. So we'll just click on these ones for now: Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can choose your image, and then you can choose whichever your accounts you want to post to. So I'm going to post to my Twitter and post to some of the blogs, and then you would simply click publish, or you can go ahead and schedule it ahead of time using the scheduler, and once you've done that, it will appear on the calendar on the left hand side. That's up to you. Worth noting that one of the main new features for the 2021 edition is the addition of the auto poster, which allows you to simply pick a keyword, and then the Curation Cloud platform itself will simply post content on your behalf every single day based on that keyword, without you having to log into the platform or fiddle with any settings. So it's a completely hands-free solution which we've added to this brand new version of Curation Cloud. So let's take a look at auto posters. So again, you can simply create auto poster, search for a term, pick your blog, how many posts a day you want, and you can set it and forget it. Okay, and then you've also got social accounts and blogs and the calendar with your week or month ahead. It's up to you. If you want to know how to add social accounts and blogs, simply go to the tutorial section and I will show you there. So that's kind of the bread and butter of the application. I hope you can see from the demo how easy it is to get out there and start posting content, scheduling content, or auto posting content to all your different blogs and to your social media accounts. And I hope you have a lot of fun using the platform, and I hope you have as much fun as we did making it. Thank you very much.